Today we will be looking at How I Raised Myself from Failure to Success in Selling by Frank Betcher. Why this book matters. In this great book for selling, uber fruitful sales rep Frank Betcher uncovers the key to building and keeping up with strong customer connections that will convey you to extreme deals achievement. Key takeaways include practice excitement consistently regardless of whether you need to counterfeit it until you make it. Eagerness for the activity rouses others, improves work execution, and makes companions. Modeled, the creator was terminated from his small-time baseball crew because of his dread and appearing absence of aspiration. This experience instructed him to rehearse steady energy, which prompted his unmatched achievement. Tuning into your customer is the way to progress. Listening permits you to comprehend your customer's needs, causes them to feel comprehended, and makes them substantially more prone to purchase what you're selling. Model. A magazine sales rep's deal hopped significantly once he moved his concentration from explaining to potential clients why he figured they should purchase his magazine to concentrating on what his customers required and how his item could address those issues. A no isn't generally a no in the event that you can discover the genuine explanation. Just a minority of potential customers will give you the genuine explanation they state no. After a touch of burrowing, you can recognize and deliver the main problem to get the customer to say yes. Model. The creator had the option to make a sale after he understood a customer disapproved of a protection strategy since it didn't cover his child, not in light of accounts as he first did. Remain educated about your industry and keep up the trust of your customers. To win new business, you should be a specialist on the advancement in your field. You should likewise be a wellspring of trust among you and your customer. Model. In a group of 16 sales reps, 2 presented most of deals. Their mystery was that they were the most proficient in view of their endeavors to keep awake to date in the business. Deal with your customers and they will deal with you. Construct a relationship with your customers by recalling their names, causing them to feel significant, and catching up with them after the deal is finished. They're probably going to respond with referrals. Another example is a fridge sales rep consistently caught up with customers after a deal to perceive how they are doing. Customers are so satisfied by this, they alluded their companions to him. Be straightforward and set aside a few minutes for the customer before pitching them. Requesting that a customer put aside an ideal opportunity to meet with you and being straightforward with them rather than jumping quickly into the pitch will make your customer substantially more ready to tune in. And the final example, when the creator conceded he was anxious before a likely customer, his trustworthiness charmed the customer to him and landed him the deal. Thank you.